My design objective was to design a toy for the 9 months to 15-month-old kids, which helps them to develop like their physical skills. So I'll directly go to my ideas. The first one was a caterpillar, which works on a cam mechanism, which gives that wavy form. So each have different segments. So each segment is attached to one cam mechanism. So as you move, it gives that wavy form, and also at the head, it gives a up and down motion. Then the next one is a serpentine motion, which works on a cylindrical cam mechanism. As you push, it gives a serpentine motion. Then the third one is a frog. I haven't really worked on the mechanism, but idea that I was looking for is the jumping mechanism of a frog. The next one is a hinge-wave mechanism. The bottom part is attached to two crank mechanisms, so it moves away and closer. Then the next one is taken from an elephant, the trunk movement of an elephant. The trunk is attached to a thread, so as it rolls, the trunk goes up and down. Then the next one is a hanging monkey. So movement is like a jumping from branches to branches. Then this one is a running monkey. So here is a crank mechanism. So this was one of the initial 3 concepts that I've tried. So the mechanism is like it's elliptical this thing. So as it moves, it kind of gives the jumping action. Then the next one is a kangaroo. So I was trying to do the jumping action of a kangaroo with again a crank mechanism. Then this was one of the final ideas. I discussed all my concept with most of the people. So majority like this idea and the final idea that I've did. So here action is like an octopus ka movement, as you can see in the GIF. So the legs are free and so the body will move up and down with a cam mechanism. So when it goes up, so the legs will come closer, and when it goes down, the legs will spread apart. So it creates that kind of a movement. And because it's a cam mechanism, it also gives like a up and down circular motions. Then the final one, I've tried to do a chameleon, like when I discussed with everyone. So this is one which everybody liked, and even I liked. So the chameleon, I was trying to mimic the walk. So the mechanism, I tried to like a walking mechanism with a wheel. So as the wheel rotates, the leg will go like walking mechanism. I made a prototype of that. This is a scaled up model. So the inside all the mechanism goes, there will be 2 wheels. So when it moves, all these 4 wheels will give the walking action. And there is a wheel on top, so which is a colorful wheel. So as it rotates, the color will change. So it kind of indicates the color changing of the chameleon. So the tail is used as the push element.